Hey guys, welcome back to Snag and Slash. Today we're doing a prank, and
This isn't actually a prank video.
right, yeah, it's an April Fool's joke that we're gonna be playing on Ronnie, and so I'm gonna be making a program, and while I'm making it, Tim, do you want to explain?
Okay, so
Yeah.
basically, what we're going to be doing here is Nick's going to be making a program. Nick is at college. He is going to send it to me. I am here in the Snack and Slash HQ. And basically what's going to happen is I am going to make all of his shortcuts, or all of his folders and stuff. I'm going to hide those somewhere on his computer. And Nick's going to send me the program. I am then going to replace all of his shortcuts and folders with shortcuts to said program. The program is then going to make it seem like it's either A, deleting his System32, or B, finding personal information.
So I'm going to be programming most of this in C++, as that's what you're currently seeing on the screen. I'm using Microsoft Visual Studio 2013. Oh, that's something I forgot to do. You won't see anything on the screen right now, but I am going through C++, second semester, templates, C++ skeleton, Control A, Control C, exit out of that, yeah, source file add, so that should add the source file.
I'm actually going to charge my phone, make sure this PS4 controller is fully charged, because I'm playing Fallout and making a rad-ass treehouse while Nick's doing all this.
Yeah, so...
And I'm playing Candy Crush.
Yeah, Chelsea's just playing Candy Crush.
Yep.
It's fine. We all have our vices.
While... Let's make a while.
It's been a while.
So... Let's do...
I gotta put stairs up to the roof so I can do the roof.
I is less than? No, that's greater than. I is less than 100.
Let's program with Nick.
Yeah, essentially. So I is less than... So what I'm making right now is a while loop that will run 100 times. And this will be the base of our program. So we'll do cout. We'll have to do it in all caps. Searching... Or no. Yeah. Should I make these in functions?
Make them in functions, Nick.
Sure. Deleting... Oh, that's... I keep hitting... Deleting system 32 space and then take off caps lock I and then
Feel so alive.
God damn it, Tim. And then and nope and L. So that should loop. Let's debug. So what errors are there? Oh, no. Right. Forgot.
This is the best thing I've ever done.
Expecting a...
And I mean that sincerely.
You and your awesome treehouse.
Yo! This is amazing.
V,
Don't you wish your treehouse was hot like mine? Don't you? Don't you?
Control F5. So
It's completely empty. I've put nothing in
What?
it, but it's cool.
fuck off, Avast. There we go. So it'll count up from 1 to 100, saying deleting system 32. So it says deleting system 32, 97, 98, 99, 100%. Let's add in complete.
Yeah, we have to hurry up and do this before he gets back home from work.
What time? 8:48 right now, so
I know it's 8:48.
shouldn't take too long. So we'll copy this.
Your mom said,
Shut the fuck up, Tim.
Okay, so, off topic, Nick. Have you had time to fool around with the Automatron DLC?
I don't have it, so no.
Oh, it's so amazing. So, okay, you know the whole thing is build robots, right?
Yeah.
You can customize every robot follower in the game, including Codsworth.
Really?
Yes, so I made Codsworth into a living bulldozer.
Really?
Yeah.
That sounds amazing.
It is
So
amazing.
deleting system 32. So we'll change this to find. Wait. Debit card number.
Make sure you spell everything right.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a spell check after this because I'm awful at spelling. So, let's just.
Not only is this guy a cyber criminal, but he can't spell.
But although, like, Ron can't really spell as it is himself, so, like,
Oh, right,
I don't know.
that's why.
That's true.
Oh, of course, that's a caps lock. Caps lock's still on. No, that's a 0. Damn it. Okay, so F5. So. Finding debit card number. Okay.
Oh, and this is perfect because he just did PayPal stuff on his computer today. So,
What do you do PayPal stuff for?
I'm not going to disclose because we're on camera, so.
It's probably like porn stuff.
Well, I mean, you you totally could have just been, like, used that as, like, a thing for the PayPal canceled transaction or something.
So we'll do. Ooh. So we'll have it so after it says finding debit card number, say debit card number
You
found.
should do something about student loans. Because he's in college.
Yeah.
I don't think he has any of that stuff on his computer, though. I kind
Debit
of still want it to be
card.
believable.
Number.
I mean, student loans is
Found.
pretty believable, though.
It's pretty believable. Like I said, I don't think he does any of that stuff on his computer. I think they do that elsewhere.
Slash n slash n exporting to www dot what's a good website? What-
Um,
Fake
Like
web domain.
yeah, like a shady web domain that you would think.
Well, how, like, reliable do you think it should? Like, should you do a .com or should you do, like, an educational?
.edu.
Hackers are us.
.edu.
Us. .edu.
.edu.
So that exporting hackers are us. That's fucking funny. All right, let's run this
fuck,
to see
dude.
how it looks. So it'll shows. Okay, so I didn't do the right /n. Okay,
Okay.
it's
Okay.
\n. Here it is. Debit card number found. Export. Oh wait, you guys can't see this. Ah, shit, I'm just relaying this.
Just do share screen.
Yes, I'm here, Deb.
Window capture. Window capture 2. Sorry, I'm using.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so can you
Okay,
you
I
guys
will go
can
down
see
and
this
bring those
now.
up.
I'll put that there because that sounds good. So
I will be
we're
right
currently
back. I have to go fetch groceries out of the car.
oh fun. So this
Alright.
is currently what it looks like. I hope this gets into the
I hope so too.
yeah. I'll put mine right here so it'll be
You should share the screen so I can see it.
That's
okay.
why he's working.
No, I realized I didn't have the command window open for. So like when I was debugging it, it was just like a blank screen. I'll share screens as well. Share screens. Start. Tell me when you guys can see.
I can see it, yeah.
Oh, there we go. But it took over Chelsea's screen for me.
Yeah, I took out. Wait, oh, there you are. You're in the corner. I see you.
Okay, so
Oh, okay. Yeah.
this simple amount of code makes all this. So, finding credit card number, or finding debit card number. Oh, it runs debit card number twice? Oh, right, because I didn't rename this to something. Finding. What else could I put in there that would be like. That would be believable? This is probably really dull for the viewers out there, but let's see.
Probably.
We could do. I'm definitely going to move deleting System 32 to the bottom once we're done.
Okay. I will be right back.
Installing. Trojan underscore horse. Shit. I keep typing
Horse?
Trojan horse. Installing Trojan horse dot exe, or no, we'll name it something better. Totally not a virus or any. No, just virus dot exe. Ooh, I have a great idea for the next one. Okay, so let's make this. I can't make a bracket, so we'll make it U. P U as well. Int U equals 0. Installing what's a program on everyone's computer that no one wants? Internet
Explorer.
Explorer add-on dot exe. Cout 37 new toolbars added. Okay. Tim, you back?
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. So, we put installing Internet Explorer add-on.exe, 37 new toolbars added.
It's amazing.
Control X, and then Control V. We'll do Control V there as well.
That's awesome.
This will be Y, Y, and
Why?
Y, int Y equals 0. Okay, so hacking. What's Ronnie's PC's name?
It's, I don't know.
I forget how you find that. I know you can find that, but
Well, obviously you can. I'm not entirely sure where.
Ron Zo Tower.
Wait, are we still connected via Hamachi?
Maybe, I don't know. If you, yeah, it'll say that on Hamachi.
So I should probably go try and find out Hamachi, huh?
Don't you know the IP address of it too? Would that be useful?
Yes, the IPv4, yes.
Finding IPv4. Yeah, I'll put finding IPv4.
Well, no, I'll do hacking and then his IP. Hack successful.
Kevin's gonna have a fit if Ron tells him.
Oh, God. Oh, fucking Kevin. Oh.
Okay, so we don't need the PC name.
No, I just need you to copy and paste the IPv4 into Skype.
Okay.
Because this is going to be
where
fucking hilarious.
Not whole is Hamachi. Hamachi!
You gotta find Hamachi, Tim. Yeah.
Well, no, his fucking desktop is a cluttered mess.
True. Yeah, that's going to be a challenge for you. What?
Why can't you look on there? Because it's not going to display my own username in Hamachi.
True. Log me in Hamachi.
Weird.
Well, I mean, yeah, it does. I'm pretty sure it does. Come on, Hamachi.
Not my own, I don't think.
Copy IPv4. Luckily, these change every so often, so Ronnie won't get DDoSed.
He's not going to anyway. It's system side, so.
True.
Hacking. It's not like it's anything through his browser or internet. It's just an exe we're running on the computer.
Ron. Well, I mean, if we're going to put this on YouTube, then people are going to see it, so.
That's. But we can black it out. Put a little black bar on it.
Yeah. That'll be some extra editing Ronnie has to do on his own prank video.
Or knowing him, he's just lazy and well, I guess he'll have to do it.
Yeah.
Or he just won't upload it, which I can see that happening, but I hope that's not the case.
Hacking Ron's PC at IPv4 equals. Okay, let's run this, see how this goes. Okay, so let's see. Deleting system 32. Yeah. Installing Internet Explorer add-on.exe. 13.7 new toolbars added. Totally not a virus.exe.
You should put you need this.exe.
Oh, what? Totally not a virus. Why doesn't it go up farther?
Totally not a virus.
Control F5.
I'll give you that one. That
Oh,
one's amazing.
did I seriously? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm
What'd
gonna have
you
to
do?
put a system pause in right here.
I have to go get laundry, so.
Okay, you do that.
Yeah,
Alright.
this isn't really like a formal episode. This is just kind of Control
Probably
F5.
might even go up on
Okay.
snack aisle.
Well, I just have to like put it in the dryer. I don't really have to, get it.
Yeah.
So because the code is so long. Oh.
Yeah, my code is long. Love it.
You can't see me scrolling down, but because the code is so long, it just stops recording it.
Oh.
It's not. Why isn't it moving around? That's weird.
Oh.
Totally not a fire. Yeah, and then. Okay. So I think
Totally
this
not a
is
virus.
good. I'll take out the system pause. Control S. Gotta save it. Make sure I save it. Now I think that's done with the programming portion. See you. See you guys in a minute when we're with the camera and such.